Chainlink is looking bullish on the short time frame and could be having a breakout rally. On long time frame, Chainlink is fundamentally one of the most strongest cryptocurrency projects, with its oracle being used in hundreds of thousands of crypto projects. In this video guys, I'll be sharing with you my short time frame trade setup. I'll be sharing with you the latest news for Chainlink, and I'll explain to you why I believe in the next bull market cycle, Chainlink will be a high performing coin. So guys, welcome to this video. It's Crypto Rocco here. Chainlink is back onto this support level, and I've got a few zones, so I'll try to explain to you in a lot more detail. So this is my buy zone. If you believe in Chainlink, you can just look to buy some here, and I've talked about this zone when Chainlink was over $30, $40, and it could go a bit lower. We're not sure if this is the exact bottom, but this is a huge zone. So if you are looking to invest in Chainlink long term, you can look to buy some here. Trading wise, I would like to see a setup, and my setup is a breakout out of $8. If Chainlink can start breaking out to above $8, that's when I look to take a trade. If you are interested in live trade updates, make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification button. I do live stream every Sunday, and I'm also doing a live stream later on today in a few hours time. So if you're watching this video, I might be live, so make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification button and say hi. In the YouTube videos, I share with you exactly the zones I'm looking to buy and sell. In the live streams guys, I can share with you live trades. The last Bitcoin trade I shared is hit first target and could be pushing higher. So if you are interested in that guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification button, and I'll see you guys on the live stream later on. Before I get started with this video, if you do enjoy this type of content, do hit the like button guys. It doesn't cost you anything. It really helps with the algos as well, and if you want Chainlink to do well, hit that like button. More viewers will see it. Hopefully we get a bigger rally in Chainlink when the next bull market cycle comes. So I'll start off with the news, and the biggest news we've been talking about a few times is the Chainlink staking. Chainlink is, like I've said, one of the strongest cryptocurrencies. If you talk about fundamentals and the use case of Chainlink Oracle, is used in almost every big blockchain. So it is fundamentally a strong project. But the issue with Chainlink is Link token doesn't really have that value accrual. So if you, by that I mean, if you think about Luna, and I know what's happened with Luna, but if you followed our channel, we got in Luna at $5 and it went absolutely crazy. There's a thing with value accrual and demand and supply. For UST to be minted, you had to burn Luna, and when supply decreases, you had big rally. Cardano is probably a better example. With Cardano staking, lots of Cardano was taken off supply, and we saw a huge rally in Cardano price. And again, if you've been watching our channel, we got in Cardano below 10 cents. It rallied up to $3. And if we talk about even Chainlink, when Chainlink had the initial rally, the first video we made on Chainlink was when it was less than, I think, 50 cents. You can type in Chainlink and you'll see a video from 2018, and that was the reason why there was a huge demand. The demand was more than supply. The issue that we have now is there's two things going on. Chainlink team are still selling some Chainlink. I believe that stopped 2-3 months ago, but I've not seen concrete proof. I'll let you guys know in the comment section or on Twitter, or I'll try and make another video to let you guys know. And the other thing is that it doesn't really have staking. The new update that we're expecting from Chainlink is going to have Chainlink staking, and that's going to be huge. It will bring security, it will bring better tokenomics, and that is something I'm really excited about. So again, let me know if you are interested in Chainlink staking. Comment below Chainlink staking and I'll make a video when there's new announcement with dates. And again, I didn't want to just talk about potentially coming up, because I've talked about it lots of times now. They are saying second half of 2020, but they've not given exact dates. This is going to be huge guys, and once this date is confirmed, I think Chainlink, especially if Bitcoin is rallying, because one of the things, I mean, I'm going to divert slightly again, the strategy and the trade setups I'm sharing, for them to work, Bitcoin needs to stay above 20k. If Bitcoin breaks below 20k, I think we're going to go a lot lower. And the title of the video of my live stream is sell Bitcoin below this price level, because I'm bullish. I've taken some trade setups. We've posted some live trade setups in the Rockstar trading group that we're looking to long some altcoins. They're rallying quite a bit, and all of them depends on Bitcoin holding 20k and rallying. Even though even though the bottom might not be in, I'm expecting a rally, and that rally will help Chainlink pump and other altcoins pump, which I've shared with you some of the setups, and I'll share it in the live stream later on. So that's the biggest news that I'm most excited about. Let me know what you guys think. It's going to be sustainable rewards long term. term, people will stake their token, it will reduce supply, it will bring hype back to Link like we saw back in 2018, 2019. Another point to make, Link Marines will be a lot happy. I've got a few Link Marine followers on my Twitter. You guys will be really happy. Chainlink performed well in spite of Bitcoin not doing well. So Chainlink can outperform the market. Bitcoin wasn't doing this well in 2018, 2019, but we saw Chainlink just not caring and just pumping. So even if, which is unlikely and I don't want it to happen, even if Bitcoin doesn't perform that well, Chainlink could still outperform if it's still progressing fundamentally. So that's the biggest news. Once I find out more information, let me know in the comment section below. I'll make a Chainlink staking video, and that is going to be quite big. The other thing I'm quite excited about is a proof of reserves, which will enable DeFi projects to verify on-chain and cross-chain assets reserves through automated audits based on cryptographic truth. Chainlink is again leading in the DeFi section as well. At the moment, the biggest, on real-time data. That's what the Oracle do, helps blockchain connect to the real world and all that good stuff. That's their main product. With this, I think they could take a big part of DeFi. DeFi was the main reason for rallying last time, and NFT. There's always a reason for rally. There was DeFi, then we had NFTs, before we had ICOs, then we had platform tokens. There's always a narrative, and this DeFi is one of the strongest narrative with actual use cases. So it's really good to see Chainlink taking a part in that. So those are the two key fundamental long-term news. Other news, if you type in Chainlink news, is mainly price related, which any YouTuber, everyone's talking about. One thing I want to talk about is a lot of Link is being sold. So once that we have forced liquidation and lots of people dump on a project, then there could, I'm not saying people quote Rocco saying Chainlink is running out of sellers, but that is an indication. Once a lot of sellings already happen with volume, that's how bottoms start forming. So if we start seeing consolidation and the price starts, let me fix that. Yeah, once we start seeing something like this, lower highs and breakout, that will confirm me that selling is happening and potentially we are changing trends. So that is another exciting thing. And I keep talking about the Chainlink Oracle. We can see it actual other projects using Chainlink, and like I said, most cryptocurrency projects you can talk about, Chainlink probably plays a part in it. So that is really good to see. So those are the latest news, guys. The main thing I'm excited about is the staking news, and I've covered a few other news. So now let's talk about the short time frame trade. Short time frame trade, like I've said, the most important thing is Bitcoin. I'll cover Bitcoin in a lot more detail in the live stream. I'll have it linked somewhere as well. If you click the I button on top, you shall see it, or at the end of the video it will come up. You can watch it then. But I'd like Bitcoin to stay above 20k, and I'd want Chainlink to break this red zone. I've got this red zone around $7-8, but we're forming a little zone here, so I could potentially move this down, but something like this would get me in Chainlink, and I think Chainlink could rally into $10 or even $14-15. So that's a short time frame trade I'm looking at. $15 to $16 is going to be huge resistance. This was a resistance back in 2020. This was huge support. I talk about floor break, and one of the first things I teach in my course and trading strategy is floor break, not hold floor breaks. And Chainlink broke this floor and we dumped about 50%. So that floor is going to be resistance. So that will be my short time frame target. Then long-term trades. So again, if you're believing something long-term, I bought some Bitcoin. In long-term, I'm a Bitcoin hodler. If you believe in Chainlink long-term, then a long-term trade setup is I would like Chainlink BTC to trend change. For Chainlink BTC to trend change on the daily, and especially on the high time frames, Chainlink BTC needs to break this. And if Chainlink BTC breaks this, I think Chainlink BTC could have a huge rally, and that will most likely mean Chainlink USD breaks out as well, and then we can start targeting $30 or even higher. But that's far away. I'm not saying that's going to happen. The main focus for me now is Chainlink to start consolidating, and it could be slow. Short time, yes, we could have a breakout and we could have a rally, but my favorite thing would be, and I'm in this for a long term, if you want to make money in cryptocurrency, stay long term. I tweeted about something that anyone who's hodled Bitcoin more than 3-4 years are probably in profit, because you would have been in a good cycle. Only people that lose money are they just buy the top FOMO in and then dump when it's low. So if you believe in Chainlink, then be patient. If we can get something like this, Chainlink staking is more positive, Link token has more value accrual, that's when we can see huge rally. So that's the video, guys. Before I end the video, what is your thoughts on Chainlink? Do you believe